Yes. Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome back to Dear Math classes. In the last class, we discussed some questions from 21st Jan 2026, first shift. Let's go remaining questions. Here, the next question is, sorry, yes. The next question is, if x square plus x plus 1 is equals to 0. Okay, if the quadratic equation x square plus x plus 1 is equals to 0, then find x plus 1 by x whole to the power of 4 plus x square plus 1 by x square whole to the power of 4 plus x cube plus 1 by x cube whole to the power of 4 and so on x to the power of 25 plus 1 by x to the power of 25 whole to the power of 4 is equals to. Okay, it is a numerical type question. So here the given question is x square plus x plus 1 is equals to 0. Okay, x square plus x plus 1 is equals to 0 means this equation divided by x, we get x plus 1 plus 1 by x is equals to 0. Okay, so simplify this, we get x plus 1 by x is equals to this plus 1, it becomes minus 1. So this is x plus 1 by x is equals to minus 1. Okay, here x plus 1 by x. So x plus 1 by x is equals to minus 1, we get that. And same as now find x square plus 1 by x square value. Okay, x square plus 1 by x square value is x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2 into x plus, sorry, 2 into x into 1 by x. Okay, okay, x into 1 by x. We know it is in the form of a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this term transformation becomes minus 2ab. So x cancel. Here x plus 1 by x value is minus 1. So minus 1 whole square minus 2. Minus 1 whole square means 1 minus 2 is equals to minus 1. Okay, this is x square plus 1 by x square value. And same as find x cube plus 1 by x cube is equals to. X cube plus 1 by x cube means here using the formula a cube plus b cube. So formula is, okay, a plus b, okay, x plus 1 by x, a plus b, a square, okay, b square minus a into b. Sorry, here a into b. Okay, using the formula a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. So here here x value is cancelled. The remaining is x cube plus 1 by x cube is equals to x plus 1 by x into x square plus 1 by x square minus 1. So x plus 1 by x means we get minus 1. Okay. And x square plus 1 by x square means we get again minus 1. Minus of 1. It is equals to minus 1 into minus 1 is minus 2. So minus 1 minus 2 it becomes 2. Okay. So similarly here we need to find x to the power of n plus 1 by x to the power of n is equals to x to the power of n plus 1 by x to the power of n is equals to. The values are same, minus 1, minus 1, 2. Okay, minus 1 and 2. Okay, so if we need to find x to the power of 4 plus 1 by x to the power of 4 means the value is minus 1. X to the power of 5 plus 1 by x to the power of 5 is the value is x minus 1. X to the power of 6 plus 1 by x to the power of 6 is the value is 2. Okay, repeated. So here repeats every three terms, same values minus 1, 2 only. Okay, repeat every three terms, we get minus 1 plus 2 only. Clear? It repeats every three terms. Right here, it repeats every three terms. Okay, it repeats every three terms. So here in the question given, x plus 1 by x whole to the power of 4. Okay, each term power is 4. Each term power is 4. So here the power rise to power is 4 means this minus 1 whole to the power of 4 and minus 1 whole to the power of 4 and 2 whole to the power of 4. We get 1 comma 1 comma 2 to the power of 4 means 16 is the answer. Okay. So now observe here in the question given x plus 1 by x square 1 by x square, x cube 1 by x cube up to x to the power of 25 by 1 by x to the power of 25. So how many terms? 1. Okay. So first term is minus 1, 2, again minus 1, 2, and so on up to where? Up to n is equals to 25 terms. So every three terms we get same answer. Okay, every three terms we get same answer. Like that, up to 25 means. Up to 25 means. How many cycles we get here? How many cycles we get here? 25 times means once you calculate 25 divided by 3. 25 divided by 3 we get 8 into 3. 8 3 is 24 and 1 cycle is repeated. 1 is the extra. So 8 3 is 24 plus 1. So 8 cycles into, so each cycle means each three term values are 1 plus 1 plus 16 plus, what is the extra term here? Extra is 1. Okay. So 8 of 16 plus 1 is 7. 17 plus 1 is 18. So 18 plus 1. So we get 18 8 ja 144. 144 plus 1 is 145 is the answer. What is the answer here? 145 is the answer. So this value is equals to 145. Here, this is the answer. So next, go to next question. Yes. The next question is the binomial expansion of here it is a square ax square actually. The binomial expansion of ax square plus bx plus c into 1 minus 2x whole to the power of 26. Okay, this is whole to the power of 26. The coefficients of x square, x cube are minus 56, 0 and 0 respectively. Okay. So here 0, 0 respectively. Then a plus b plus c is equals to. Okay. So here in the question given ax square plus bx plus c into 1 minus 2x whole to the power of 26. So the expansion of 1 minus, okay, expansion of 1 minus 2x whole to the power of 6 is, that is using the binomial expansion. Here binomial expansion, the expansion of 1 minus 2x whole to the power of 26 is summation of k is equals to 0 to 26. Here 26. 1 minus 2x whole to the power 26. K is equals to 0 to 26. So 26k 1 to the power of 26 minus k and minus 2 into k to the power of minus 2 into x. Okay, what is the second term here? Minus 2x is that. So 2x to the power of k means. Okay, 2x to the power of k means. Sorry. It's not working. K means. Okay. So we get summation of k is equals to 0 to 26. 26k of 1 to the power of 26 minus k, we get 1 only. So the remaining is minus 2 whole to the power of k and x to the power of k. So this is the general term. Now write few terms using this expansion. The few terms of 1 minus 2x whole to the power of 26 is equals to 26 0 and minus 2 to the power of 0 and x to the power of 0 means the k value 0 starts from 0 plus 26 1 minus 2 to the power of 1 x to the power of 1 plus 26 to minus 2 to the power of 2 x to the power of 2 plus 26 3 sorry 26 3 minus 2 to the power of 3 x to the power of 3 and so on. Let you consider some few terms. We get 1 minus 2x whole to the power of 26 is equals to. See, using the concept combination, NCR is equals to n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. So here n value is 26, r value is 0 means NCR becomes here 26, 0 means the value is 1. Okay. So here next term minus 2 to the power of 1 odd number. So here we get minus 26 1. 26 1 means here 26 C 1. We get 26 only. 26 2 ja 52 x plus here. Next minus 2 whole to the power of 2. So power is 2, even number. So we get plus only. So 26 2 into 4 we did means we get a 1300 x square plus and here minus 2 whole to the power of 3 odd number. So here we get minus and 26 3 and 2 to the power of 3. Okay. So we get the value is 20800 x cube plus and so on. Okay. Now we get this equation is multiplicate with okay, multiplicate with your given question. Okay, the expression 1 minus 2x whole to the power of 26 is multiplicated with a x square plus b x plus c. Okay, now compare with the x comma x square and x cube. Okay, now what is the coefficient of sorry, here it is a 52. Okay, 52 x. Now first coefficient of coefficient of first coefficient of x, coefficient of coefficient of x means we get minus 52c is equals to minus 56. Okay, observe here. So this one minus 52c becomes okay minus 52c and coefficient of x is in the question given minus 56. Okay, so now find the c value from this equation. Minus minus cancel. C value is c is equals to 56 by 52. The value is 14 by 13 because 4 1 ja, 4 3 ja, 4 1 ja, 4 4 ja. Okay. Now coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square. What is the coefficient of x square here? 1300 c. Okay, 1300 c minus 52b. Okay, we get 1300 c minus 52b is equals to coefficient of x square. In the question given, coefficient of x square is 0. Okay, it is equals to 0. So now we get b is equals to 1300 c by 52. 13 ones are 13 fours are 4 ones are 425. So we get 25c. Okay, and same as find coefficient of x cube. Coefficient of x cube means here minus 20,800 and x cube. Okay, minus 20,800 c plus 1300v minus 52a is equals to 0. Okay, in the question given x cube coefficient is 0. Okay, simplify this, we get c value, substitute b value and a value, we get here minus 52a is equals to 20,800 c minus 1300. What is b value here? We get b value is 25c. Okay, 25c. So final answer is 11700 C A is equals to, okay, minus of 11700 C by minus 52. So both will cancel. We get 11700 C by 52. Okay, this is A value. See here you observe we get the C value and the A B value and the A value means. Question is then A plus B plus C is equals to. What is the question? A plus B plus C is equals to. A plus B plus C is equals to. What is A value here? 11700 C by 52 plus and B value is 25C plus and here C value is uh, C value as is write down. Later you take C value. Okay. This in this three terms C as a common. So 11700 by 52 plus 25 plus 1 take C as a common. Okay. So what is the answer? 11700 plus 25 into, okay, 25 into 52. What is the answer? 1300 plus 52 whole divided by 52 into C. Okay. 11700 plus 52. Answer is 13052 by 52 into C. Okay. What is the C value here? C value is 14 by 13. So 13 1 0, 13 4 0. So here we get zeros and all. Directly you can do. Okay. So cancel it off this 4 1 4, 4 3 12, and 4 3 12, and 4 2 8, 4 6 24, 4 3 12. Okay. So finally we get 3263 by 13 into 14 by 10 is equals to 1403 is the answer. Okay. Once you check this calculation part, it's a mistake. 25 into 52, 100, right? Yes, 52. Okay. So here this value we get 1300 by 30. Okay. So final answer is here 1403 is the answer. Let's try to solve this, simplify this. Okay, it takes time. Yes. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share. Thank you.